My name is Marilyn Ngube and I'm from Johannesburg in South Africa. I'm a teacher by profession, but I'm mainly focusing on my business, which is a Tupperware business. In a month, I can make roughly 8 to 15,000. My name is Marilyn Ngube and I'm from Johannesburg in South Africa. I'm a teacher by profession, but I'm mainly focusing on my business, which is a Tupperware business. In a month, I can make roughly 8 to 15,000. I have two beautiful girls. The first one is 12 and the second one is 8 years old. In a month, I've made 14,000, but because I'm still growing in this business, there are people who have made a little bit more earnings, because in this business, the more you grow in the business, the more the earnings and the rewards. The inspiration was changing other people's lives. Someone introduced it to me and they told me briefly about the rewards and the incentives, and also I attended the presentations. Then I heard a lot about Tupperware, but what drew me closer to Tupperware was the fact that it changes other people's lives. So the moment when you're busy changing your life, you're also changing other people's life. Someone is being able to pay rent and also pay the varsity fees for their children because of Tupperware. Per month, I pay 4,000 rand. It's 4,000 rand per month. On food, every month I spend plus minus 2,500. Transport to and from work, I spend roughly 1,500 because I stay close to our Tupperware shop. On school fees, it's plus minus 4,000, including everything: school fees for the kids, what they carry to school, and also their transport. And then because my business needs me to be always on my phone, I need data. So I use roughly 350 rands on data so that I communicate with my team and also with my customers. My husband focuses mainly on the rent and the fees, and I focus on the basics of food and the other small expenses in the house. I love to buy clothes and traveling, seeing new places. Okay, joining Tupperware is free, and yes, I'd love other people to join, because remember, we're in the business of changing other people's lives, and also it will also create extra income for the person, and also that person will be able also to interact with other people and also to travel around the world if that person pushes him or herself to be a manager, because Tupperware is a career path. So you can start from the beginning, you grow from the demonstrator to a unit manager, to a senior manager, to an executive manager, and lastly to a team leader. So you can take it as a career. The The incentives are the gifts that you get from the company. Every week we have our recognition weekly. So they recognize the person who has done the most for the week. So that motivates us almost every week. And also we have our monthly recognitions whereby you are given a present or a gift, the rewards for pushing yourself and being at the top. And also we have traveling incentives because some of the team leaders, as I'm speaking to you right now, they're at Bali. All expenses paid for by Tupperware. So they recognize our hard work and they motivate us by giving us those traveling incentives and extra monies and extra gifts. Yes, I'd like to say please join Tupperware because it is free to join, and also you can join to buy for yourself at a discount and also to be a seller, because once you are a member you qualify for the 27% discount. So if the product is worth 199 rand, as a member you buy it at 27% less. As I've said before, per sale you get 27%. 27% is yours on everything that you sell.